What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So check it out. Today I'm going to be working on this 2015 Volkswagen R. Nothing too crazy. We're just going to be doing some basic maintenance. We're going to be doing an oil change, and then I'm going to be working on my little cooler box that I'm building. That's where we're going to start right now. We're about to finish it up, do a quick oil change. So let's go. Alright, now to the other side. Alright, now we're gonna jack this side up and then put a jack stand on there. You always want to be safe when you're jacking up a car, and especially if you're gonna be under it. So oh, right here. You see this lip here? What the fuck was that? The car? No. Oh. Fuck out of here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yep. Alright, now that we got the car in jack stands on both sides, it's safe to go under the car. So let's go under there and get the oil pump. Alright, so the drain plug for the VWs on this Volkswagen R is right here. It looks like you need a special tool for it, but I think all you need is a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to be able to take this off. There's a flathead. Okay, that's going to work. So let me set you up, and I'm going to drain this, and then we can move on. Okay, here we go. This is off. I'm right here. Whoa. That's it? Take off the oil cap on top. Ah, there we go. What's up, Omar? Alright, you're never gonna be able to remove all the oil from the oil pan, so once you see it dripping like this, it's okay to put the drain plug back, and then we can go on top, remove the filter, and fill it up with oil. So let me put this drain plug back, and then we can go on top. There it is. Alright, now it's in. Now it's in. Now we can go back on top. Okay, let's go. Alright, now that we drained the oil, we're gonna drop the car back down. I got my brother over here helping, only because it's his car. But it was that easy. Just drop it, and we can fill it up with oil, change the filter, and that's your $80 oil change. Okay, on to the other side. Now we do this side, and then we drop it and fill it up with oil. Alright, now for the oil filter, I already showed you guys the tools that I'm going to use. I showed you guys in the oil filter tool video. So I got my Lio tools, and I got to find the one that fits the Volkswagen. So looks like this one. I'll take this cover off. There we go. See if this is the one. That's the one. So let me get a ratchet, put it on there, and we can take it off.
It's not a picture of the video. Are you sticking your hand in oil? No, 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 no. No. Oh.
Go. Careful. Alright, so this is a cartridge style filter, just like I showed you guys in that video, but looks like it was time for the oil change. So let me get the new filter, put it in here, and then put everything back. Don't do that. Yep. Always replace your O-ring. Don't be lazy. It's already here, so get the old O-ring out and put the new one on there. Now, this one's supposed to come with 2 new O-rings for that too, but it didn't come with them, so I'm gonna leave those alone. And we're just gonna slide this one over. And you gotta make sure you get it on the right groove. Don't put it on this one, because if you do that, it's gonna leak. So we're gonna bring it all the way down till we get it on the last groove. There we go. Hey.
Hey.
You.
Stop.
Hey. Let me see your hands. A ver la mano. Hey, let me see. Clean your hands before you go inside. Alright. Before you slide this in, just put a little bit of lube. Put your filter back inside. That's it right there. Watch this. This takes skill. Oh yeah. When you're that good.
We have 5 kids.
I'm gonna start it up, and then we're gonna check the level, and then we can fill it up and top it off as needed. So go ahead and start the car. So you want to start it up and then let it sit for a little bit, and then you can recheck the level on the dipstick, and then you can top it off as needed. This one calls for about 6.5 quarts if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, we're gonna check the level now. Barely making it into the crosshatch, if you can see that. So I'm gonna add 1 more quart. That's gonna make it 6 quarts, and then we're gonna see where we're at. Okay. That's 6 quarts of 540 for this VW. And we're in. I think 6 quarts is all it takes. We can put the cap back on. Alright, oil change done on this Volkswagen R 2015. So now that this is done, we can back it out and get to work, because we got to make this auto repair shop into a wood shop now. So this is a cooler that I'm building. This is a 120 quart cooler. There's still some hardware missing that I gotta finish putting on there, but that's because I took everything off so that I can stain it. So it's pretty much finished. The only thing that I got left on this is I gotta build the bottom shelf, because I ran out of wood. So I gotta finish building that up. Then once I build that up, I gotta restain it, give it a second coat of this. Here, I'll show you what I'm using. So there it is. It's 120 quarts. This fits about 150 cans of whatever you want. This is the stain that I'm using. If you guys want to build something like this and use the same thing, this is actually not a stain. It's called a weathered wood accelerator, and it just makes the wood look old, like it's been out in the sun and in the rain for months or years. But I like the look of it. So let me get this car out of here, and we're gonna make this auto shop into a wood shop. Alright guys, welcome to Hector's Wood Shop. Got this cooler that we're building today. Not done yet, but it's coming along. Alright, so we're gonna finish it up right now. I just gotta finish the bottom shelf like I said. I got some, these are just fence pickets. They're a little bit darker than the ones over here, but we're gonna cut them up to fit the bottom of this, and then we can use that as a shelf for bags of ice or some beers or some Coke or some soda, whatever you want to use it for. But right now, got my little wood shop set up over here. So let me set up right here, and then we'll get to work. I want to say 22 3/8. All right, we got
22.
Yeah, 22 3/8. So I'm using a Ryobi miter saw here that I got for about 80 bucks at the Home Depot. We're gonna measure these at 22 3/8, and then we're gonna slice them. So I need about 3 pickets. This is like a 6-foot picket, so 12 times 6, 72 inches. We're gonna start working in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so before we put these pickets down on the bottom and make it into a shelf, what you want to do with these is go ahead and sand them, because they will have they're kind of rough. These are just fence pickets, so you want to sand them down so you can get them as smooth as possible so that you won't have any splinters in your hands. And then after we sand them down, we're gonna put a bunch of Gorilla Glue around the perimeter, and then we can nail them down. So let me go ahead and sand these down. I got about 10 of them that I got to do, and then we can continue with the woodwork. Omar, Kevin.
Hi, Logan. Hey. Dun, dun, dun.
No, that's fine. Con esto la estoy pushando. You're okay. Two of that, baby.
Alright, so once you got all the wood pickets down in place, we already glued them and we nailed them down. We gotta add a layer of this stain that's gonna make it look a little bit like it's been weathered by the weather. And I got a little helper here that's gonna take care of that for me. She even did her hair, so let's see. A ver, show me the producto. So this is the Weathered Wood Accelerator by Varathane. I got this at the Home Depot, and that's how the wood was before. It's just regular 2x4s, and now they're looking a little something like this. So this is what, if you leave it outside in the sun and the rain, this is what it's gonna look like. But you can actually speed that up, and this is what one coat does for you, and it looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. But this is just regular fence pickets, and these are 2x4s. But I did use different, I think this is redwood that I'm using down here. So it's going to look a little bit different, which is fine because I like the contrast from the redwood to this regular pine. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this stain. So here we go. Omar, can you?
Omar.
Go with you. Why are you mad?
A ver. Mommy's gonna. Now you gotta be careful with this one because it is watery. It's very, very watery. It's not like your typical stain. This is actually just. Take a look at this. Lift it up. Yeah. Alright, so you're gonna make a mess. So if you want, put some rags underneath because it will get messy. I got a little bit of stains right here on my floor, but that's alright. That right there is a sign of work. So we're gonna continue here, stain the whole bottom of this shelf, and I'll show you what the finished results look like. So let's go. All right, we're all done here with the stain on the on the bottom. We just gotta let it dry. And what I'm gonna do here to give it a little bit more of that is I'm gonna put some letters. These are aluminum letters. Here's the D if you want the D. It has a little hole in the back where you can hang it from. So I'm gonna put some nails across here. And what I'm going to have it spell is I'm going to have it spell drinks. So that you can come get your drinks here. I'm going to put them like this. So let me find some nails that'll fit the hole. And then we can get to work on the lettering. Alright, you guys, that's it. Quick oil change. Not a quick cooler build. That actually took like 3 or 4 days, but I just showed you the finish of how it was gonna go. And yeah, that's it. Quick oil change on my brother's car. Quick cooler build by Yuri and me, and my brother, and the rest of the family. I think I got some pictures in there, but yeah, that's what it looks like right there. So, also, I got a new Sony A7. Yeah. I don't know, this is not my camera. This is a good camera though. Tell me if you guys like the footage. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. And this video right here was sponsored by Michelob Ultra. That was yours, huh? Now, I wasn't sponsored by it, but
we had fun doing it and drinking it.
I stopped drinking for a month, so this
tastes real good.
Tastes real good. Yeah. So that's it. Leave a comment. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm gonna end it right here. Quick oil change, quick cooler build. If you guys want to see a complete build, let me know. Leave it in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.